Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about Doordash cancels referral bonus system. So recently I got an email from one of my subscribers. BC, thank you so much for emailing me about this and making this video possible. And as you know, the referral bonus system is where you can refer a friend to Doordash and you will earn some sort of commission for that. Every area is going to be different. They have different bonuses at different times, but the referral bonus in their area dropped to 0. And BC sent me the email on the subject. So with that said, I want to go over everything that's being said in this email, what Doordash is telling him or her versus how it actually is, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. There's still time to invite a friend. You have until 11:59 tomorrow before your exclusive offer is gone. Refer a friend and help them become an activated Dasher so you could both earn big. Which we all know that DoorDash has not been the same as opposed to a few years back, but everybody knew that going into this. The email then walks you through a how-to on setting your friend up to Dash and what they can expect, how they can expect to be paid later. I made a video on the Refer a Friend bonus system. I will leave that video in the description. Feel free to check that out. If it comes back in your area, we'll go over that in a bit. Referral bonus is currently unavailable in Oklahoma City. Check back later to earn rewards for referring friends to deliver with DoorDash. Let's address a couple of things right off the bat. The referral bonus system was already a risk for a lot of drivers due to the overall nature that people have been literally deactivated for referring friends. Your driver Mike ended up getting deactivated for 2.5 years, fought every 90 days after getting deactivated, and finally got reactivated after all of that, which is insane. It took him 2.5 years to get back on the platform. What insanity is that? Now, of course, he was using it as an affiliate link and not a referral link, and my video on the Refer a Friend program actually goes over the difference, but that also said, that's a major issue. So you wouldn't want to refer a friend anyway, but what that indicates in at least the area of Oklahoma City is that DoorDash is running out of space for actual drivers. And with this upcoming year and the economy being questionable at best, you know that DoorDash is like, all right, we gotta stop letting drivers in. They've oversaturated the market enough, and they can't keep doing the whole mass deactivation thing, which is no surprise that they've done that so many times already. They're probably gonna end up doing it again. So for now, they're just closing the door. January, February, March is slower anyway, and you're probably gonna see the referral bonus tick up in February anyway, so that way they can prepare more Dashers to come in during late February, March, and ready for tax season in April, so that way when everyone gets their tax returns, they're gonna end up buying on DoorDash, which is usually the case. When we got all the stimulus checks that came in with the $1,000 to $1,500, people were buying on DoorDash during that time. It wasn't that DoorDash was getting more orders because of the pandemic, it was because people had money to actually spend. That's when they actually need more drivers, not when there's too many drivers in one of, if not the most slowest month of the year anyway. Not to mention the overall concern of whether or not DoorDash is gonna keep independent contractors with the Labor Department's new rule and things like that. But we're not gonna get into that in this video. But either way, I wouldn't worry too much about the referral system, but if you are concerned about it, I would say diversify your gig portfolio. I would say develop an exit strategy and save your money like I would with any other video. But right now, this is par for the course of the DoorDash platform. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.